If you have limited mobility issues, I'm not only just going to show you the products, I'm going to show you how to use them and why it helps save your body when you have limited mobility issues. If you just pick up a couple of these that I show you, it's going to really help a lot. And I can't wait to show you. I know this has changed the way I clean, and you're just going to love them. Some of the biggest things and the hardest things is cleaning the floor. It's really hard on your back. You have to bend over, you have to push. So we need to learn how to do it correctly and with the best tools that are going to have the less impact on our back. So let me show you. Normally when you mop, a lot of people have their buckets, okay? They fill them up in the sink like this, and then they have to lift them. They're heavy, and you lift them, and then you get your mop, and you're like this, back and forth, okay? Well, to eliminate that back and forth action, okay, because it's heavy, it hurts your back, you need to stand as straight as you can and try not to bend and lift anything when you're cleaning the floor. One of my favorite tools for this when I'm having some back issues is this mop right here. It's a really, really simple mop, okay? So you're not having to fill the bucket at all. All you do is fill this part right here. So you don't have to bend over to fill this part. You can put any cleaner that you want to in it, okay? So the hand right here, you just spray the floor with the cleaner, okay? This is super lightweight and it's easy on the hands and you don't have to bend over at all. And you spray the mop and then you just flip the mop and then it rinses the floor. So it cleans and rinses. Really easy, super lightweight, no bending, no nothing, no big buckets. It's really the best mop for limited mobility and back issues. Also, the pad is washable. You just take it off and wash it. By the way, if you're enjoying this, like and subscribe. I will have more. Ask any questions. I'll also have all the products in this video linked in the description. Okay, let's do some more. These are electric mops. One's a steam electric mop and one's just an electric mop. They are very, very easy to push, very easy on the back. They glide basically with just 2 fingers. One's cordless, one has a cord. It just depends on your needs. They're a little bit more expensive, but they work really great saving your back. Also, there's the vacuum mops. They vacuum and mop your floor and you really don't have to do anything. They even empty themselves out. We have wheels for everything, people. These are the best. I have them on the coffee maker. That way you just slide the coffee maker clean behind it. You don't have to pick up your coffee maker. I also use it on trash cans. You just slide the trash can with your foot or your hand to clean behind it and to move it. You don't have to pick up your trash can. Wheels are so cheap. I add them to everything. A rolling cart with all your cleaning stuff. This is very helpful, as well as rolling laundry baskets. These are very, very helpful. As put wheels on as much things as possible. That's, you know, a lot of times when we bend over, it doesn't just hurt our back. We come up and we can get dizzy and unstable. So a lot of it is try not to bend as much as possible. And I'm a pro at this, let me tell you. So definitely a gripper. You can not only get all things high, you can pick things up off the floor with these. Literally, this thing right here, you can pick a pen, a credit card. So pick things up. You can even get in your chair, be in your chair, and pick things up. Move your shoes. You don't have to bend over to move your shoes, move your socks, pick up laundry that's been left on the floor. These gripper things are excellent. And also a good pair of tongs, a really strong pair of tongs helps a lot. This not only is great when you're picking up your living room, but laundry. I use the long tongs and also the short tongs doing laundry. It really helps not having to bend over to get them out of the washer or put them in the dryer. I suggest just leaving them in the laundry room to do your laundry. It is so helpful, and put wheels on that basket too. Okay, let's talk about poles. Poles are extremely helpful. I use these. It's got a microfiber head, and it's got a scrubby head and then a cloth head. I can clean windows, I can clean baseboards, showers, everything with this one tool. And you just wash the pads, and the pole helps you get all in the shower or walls or floors without bending over. You can also do your windows, all kind of things. You can use a mop if you don't want to buy this tool. Just use a mop to clean your showers, your tubs, and all kind of places. Like, tools are very helpful, not having to bend over and to reach those very tight areas. This is an old Bona mop I've used in a shower to clean. It has a microfiber head, and you can just wash it. It gets all the way up to that ceiling with a pole and the mop. Mops are great ways to clean stuff without having to bend over. Also, for people with arthritis, this is an electric pump. It's like a plant. It's made for plants, but I use it for cleaning. You can make it a fine mist, a strong spray. You can rinse things off with. All you do is press the nozzle and it will spray, and then press the nozzle again and it stops spraying. This really helps when you have arthritis and hand problems. They also sell continuous spray bottles. You do have to hit the sprayer, but they really help if you have issues with your hands and squeezing the trigger. Now we have to talk about vacuuming. Vacuum's very hard on the back. Try to keep your back straight without bending like this. If you have to, use your hands supporting on your knee. Make sure that the vacuum is lightweight, and I suggest cordless. That way you're not bending over, plugging it in and out. Lightweight with wheels. It's very handy for every household to have, and low pressure on the back. This is also an effective cleaner that you spray on, and you have to clean less with it. And here's another one. This is ceramic coating. You have to apply this to your surface. You can use it on granite, stone, fiberglass, tile, stainless steel. It works great. Shower glass. You have to apply it. So you would spray it on your shower glass, and then you wipe it off, and you let it dry for about 3 to 4 hours. And what it does, it puts a little coating so you don't have to clean as much. The water will just beat off. Soap scum doesn't develop as fast. So this is a great way to not have to clean so much.